Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your website theme on Wix. Wix is a really easy drag and drop website builder to use, and customizing your theme is really easy. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. To get started customizing your theme, head to your Wix dashboard, and in the top right-hand corner, we're going to click Design Site, and it's going to give you two options. You can either let Wix create a site for you, or you can customize your template. So we're going to go to Pick a Template, and it's going to show you all of their pre-made templates that they have. At the top here, you can filter them. So you can filter them by the type of business that you have. You can filter them by the type of store you have. You can select a creative category if you're not like selling anything, if you're doing sort of portfolios and stuff. You can select an education, so if you're doing something for a school, or if you're running a blog, you can choose blog. We're going to look at doing a store, and we're going to select home and decor. And as you can see, that's updated to show us just the home and decor templates. And we're just going to scroll through until we find one that we like. I quite like this one over here. If you want to take a closer look at it, you can click View. And that's going to let you scroll through the website and see it in a bit more detail. And you can also visit the different pages. You can see what the shop page looks like, the about page, and the contact. And at the top bar here, you can also see what it looks like on mobile and have a scroll through that. If you're happy with this template, you can go up to the top right-hand corner and click Edit this site. If you'd like to take a look at some more, you can go to the left-hand side and click Back to Templates. But I quite like this one, so I'm going to click Edit this site. And it's just going to take a little while to load in the website for you. But once it does, we can get to customizing it a little bit further. So we've got a pop-up here and it's saying, let AI write your site content. So instead of filling in all of the text on the website, you can just enter some details here and it's going to suggest some text that it thinks works well. So I've already said that I'm making an online rug store, so let's add in some information here. And down at the bottom, you can name the site. And once you're happy, click Generate Site Text. And immediately you can see that has changed this text here to be relevant to our website that we're making. And even this text down here, and if we zoom in, the zoom is up here on the top bar. We can zoom in and have a little bit of a closer look at the text that is put in. You can see it's entered the business name in this text, and it's telling you lots of information about the rugs. So let's have a look at customizing this template. We're going to go over to the left-hand side, and we go down to this icon here that says Site Design. And the first thing we're going to do is take a look at customizing the theme. So this is the current theme that we've got, and the theme is the fonts that are used as well as the colors. So this coral color here you can see is used in the shopping basket icon, and if we change it to this one, it's changed it to a sort of blue color, and it's also changed the fonts. So we can go through here, and we've also got sort of dark mode themes that we can have. And we can keep looking until we find something that we like. Once we're happy with the theme, we can go back up to the top and go back to Site Design. And you can customize it further. So you could change just the colors, and you've got the base colors up here. So if we change that, that's the background color. I'm going to keep that white though. And then you've got the secondary base color, and that is your main text color. So this color here. Again, I'm going to keep that black for now. And then you've got your accent colors. As I mentioned before, that is sort of the little shopping icon and probably some buttons. It might be clearer on other pages. So again, we can just drag that around and change it to whatever we want. Click Apply. And then once you're happy, you can go back. We can also change the text theme on its own. So we can change the fonts to something that we like. We can change the page background to an image. So we've got an image down here now. You can also select a video, which you would have to upload from your computer. Or if you want to go back to color, just click on the color button there and you can change the color. And finally, you've got page transitions. So you can just change the sort of animation that happens between pages. I'm going to keep mine on none. If you want to add elements to your page, you can do that by clicking either Add Elements in order to add text, image, buttons, strip. There's loads and loads of different things you can add. Or you can click Add Section. That's got some pre-built sections for you. So if you just wanted to add a gallery, for example, you could choose something like this, and you're just going to click it and drag it to where you want it. And there we go. You can see that's popped the gallery in there for you. And if you wanted to edit this, you're just going to come over here to the pencil icon. And in here, you can change the background, you can change the title. You can change the paragraph text. And you can also manage the photos that are in there by clicking Manage Media. And in here, you can upload more media, clicking the Add Media icon. And then you'll be able to select the ones that you want to show in the gallery. And you can edit every single section in the same way. So we could start at the header here, click Quick Edit. So we could change the title up there. We could come into this section and we could change all of the backgrounds and the text. Really quick and easy to make these changes. And just as before, we can see what this website's going to look like on mobile from this icon up here. And you can also edit the mobile website and it won't affect how it looks on the desktop. So there's a few things you can do, like customizing your header. So does it scroll with the page? Does it stay at the top? You can add some quick actions. And you can add a back to the top button. And in here, you can start editing the mobile version of your website. But let's head back to the desktop. And if we're happy with the homepage, we can start to look at the other pages, and we can switch pages in the top left-hand corner here. So we can head to the About page. And you can see that the theme that we selected earlier has changed on every single page. Let's have a look at the Contact page. So that means you don't have to go onto every single page individually and change the colors and the fonts to make sure that they match. Wix does it all for you, which is really great. And their drag and drop builder is really easy to use. You should have no problem customizing your website in Wix. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.